Welcome to VibeDoctor Demo. Let's see how we can connect our infra, GitHub, and provision services in the private cloud. So let's sign in over here. Sign in with GitHub. So I've already signed in. We need to select our GitHub repositories. Currently, this is the GitHub repository I will be demoing on. Basically, this is the URL for this particular repository. No, there's some sample vibe coded app. Now, now what we want to do is something like let's add some kind of an OTP page which requires a Redis instance, and in this scenario it will spawn the Redis instance and create the OTP page as well. Currently, and additionally what we need to do is we need to add our cloud credentials as well, like our so I will just drop the files over here. Now our GCP cloud platform got configured. Now it has credentials about my cloud, and then we will let's perform this particular action. Okay, so this task has been implemented. So we can see over here, for OTP based sign up, we can see that it has provisioned Redis, or basically this is Cloudflare GCP Redis, which is Valkey. And let's go to GCP, and we can see over here, okay, a Redis instance has been spawned with the same endpoint over here. And right now we can also do a sandbox preview where we can see that the I think OTP based login has been implemented. Okay, so this was not present before, and this has we can confirm it from here as well for production URL. Okay, so in case of production we didn't see any OTP based login, but in the sandbox preview we can see that it has implemented OTP based login. It's been integrated, so now we can deploy it to production. We can just go over here, production deployment, click on cloud run, deploy to cloud run, and then it will just go ahead and then deploy. This process can also be executed through our chat box, where we can add message in the chat box and it will also get deployed. Right now we can see it started a process to deploy this thing in GCP. So our services got deployed over here. We can see our latest deployment over here. This was the one which we are trying to deploy, and this is the timing. And we can see that the latest deployment got deployed over here. Let's confirm it from in the cloud run. Let's refresh it. Okay, so latest deployment was got deployed in 2 minutes ago, and let's confirm with our website. See in the login page. Okay, we can see the email code here. The latest code is live now. With just a single click, it got directly deployed to Cloud Run. And one more thing that I wanted to show was our framer, basically the editor URL. And in here, spaces. Here a user can directly edit the page directly from the UI. Something like, let's add semicolon over here. So the semicolon has been added. And also let me show you if someone has to add some sort of images. So suppose this image is broken. Now let me go back to my editor mode, ASCII, and render the image. Just send the prompt. Okay, it just updated the entire placeholder images over here. So yeah, this is how it works. You can choose your organization, you can choose your repository, you can choose your branch, and then just ask like integrate Redis to it or integrate Postgres to it, and it will pick your cloud provider and integrate that particular provider